Okay, so now we're going to talk about two types of angle pairs that when you put them together, they create special angles. So the first one that we're going to talk about is complementary angles. And complementary angles are when you have a pair of angles that add up to 90 degrees, or we know now that when we have an angle that is 90 degrees, we call that a right angle. So when we're talking about complementary angles, we're talking about angles that when you put them together, so let's say I have, oops, that's not what I meant to do. Let's say I have this angle here, and I have an angle that's sharing this side over here. Together, they make a 90-degree angle. So we have this angle plus this angle together, they equal 90 degrees. If I had points on here, then I could say that together, let's say this is A, the vertex for both is B, C, and then D. I could say that, okay, angle A, B, C, remember the vertex has to be in the middle, plus angle CBD equal 90 degrees. So we would call those complementary angles. Complementary angles. And there's a little trick that I like to do to help me remember the difference. If I draw the C for complementary, and then I just draw a line here, that can help me remember that it's talking about adding up to 90 degrees. Okay? Hopefully that helps you. The other type of angle that we're going to look at is supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are when we have two angles that add up to 180 degrees, or when we have two angles that make a straight line. So, make straight line or straight angle, same thing. Okay, so let's look at this. Let's say I have this angle here, and then I have this angle like this and like that. So they share a common ray or a common side, but I can see that whenever they're together, they make a 180 degree angle. It's a straight line. So I could say that this, I don't know, we'll call this F, we'll call that point G, H, I. So I could say on this one that angle F, G, H plus angle H, G, I equals 180 degrees, or supplementary. And there's a trick for supplementary. We can say the S for supplementary. You can change that S into an 8 and put a 1 and a 0 to help you remember that it's supposed to add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so I think that's a pretty cool trick, and that helps me remember too.